In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple orange and turmeric immune boosting smoothie that will increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism and load you up with high levels of vitamin C. I will explain the health benefits of having this super simple orange and turmeric immune boosting smoothie as part of a regular diet at least 1 to 2 times per week, and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 4 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 to 2 carrots, 1 cup of squeezed orange juice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a glass of water. Once you have all the contents gathered, you can place everything in a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. This super simple and healthy smoothie drink is packed full of vitamin C that is perfect for sustained energy levels throughout the day, while also helping to boost your immune system to fight off colds, flus and infections. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised with how good it tastes. Get your morning off to a perfect start and having you feeling energized throughout your day. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. If you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.